Advertising when it comes to aquamarine versus blue topaz. So people say, what is the difference between aquamarine and blue topaz? Well, first off, they're two entirely different minerals. You have the mineral topaz and you have the mineral beryl. Aquamarine is the greenish blue to blue variety of the mineral beryl, but they can be confused. You know, sometimes you can tell by the color. Your typical aquamarine color is kind of a greenish blue. The Santa Maria colors, you get more of a vivid blue color. Now with blue topaz, most of the material that is blue topaz on the market today has been irradiated and then heat treated. So they take colorless or near colorless topaz, they may irradiate it to a brown color and then heat it to the blue color. And you get various types of names for these blue topaz colors: sky blue, Swiss blue, super blue, depending on the depth of the color, how dark it is, how saturated it is. Now, the colors can overlap. When you get a really fine Santa Maria aquamarine, an exceptional Santa Maria aquamarine, and even a lighter aquamarine, if it's more of a pure blue hue, it can be confused sometimes with lighter treated blue topaz. But for a gemologist, the separation is very, very simple. If they don't see a distinction by the color by eye, which is not always conclusive by any means, but if you've looked at enough aquamarine and enough treated topaz, you can see usually distinctions in the color by eye. But to prove it, it's a simple test with a refractometer or other basic gemological instruments. So what does it matter besides being, let's say, for a different mineral and knowing what you're buying? If you get a top color Santa Maria aquamarine and you get a similar color treated blue topaz, the aquamarine can easily be 120 times or more per carat than the treated blue topaz. Easily 120 times more per carat on the price. Possibly even a bigger spread. Now, even on a light colored aquamarine, it's going to be significantly more expensive than a lighter colored treated blue topaz. So it's very important that whoever sells you the stone gives you the proper identification that it is an aquamarine and not a blue topaz. It's really, really important. I've seen some confusion and I've seen some false advertising